Namaste Thamal Testele. Welcome to my channel Sonam Toronto. And Taringege nye Pomuchunga digi and video kashi chingege secret airdrop chimba and video yendung chisoyo. Morangi di video di washroom na secret kyajoresha. And washroom na la di nye dosta do di video di morangi Instagram na trobu kashi chore sumshich. O dezo la Koran nangula video share chire tsegdo. O dinde chik nyege tari nyendung yi moran dinde nye pomuchunga di video dinde nala gao yomar tuye pomu gemba di taran dinde gao yomare tangi tarin chanza chiteng shimba. Ya. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey guys, welcome to the All About Me project. We're going to start off with everything simple. My name is Kunga. I am 11 years old. I love to do swimming and gymnastics, what I'll be talking about in the video, and all my achievements. And yeah, did you know that I was a competitive gymnast? Here is, if I can find it, a clip of one of my gymnastic routine at a competition. Cool, right? Okay. And also, interesting fact, I was also a competitive swimmer. I was on the team Lakeshore Swim Club and I went to competitions all across Ontario. Here are just some of the many ribbons I've collected over the years of me swimming and at gymnastic competitions. I've also won many medals at my gymnastic competitions and one trophy at a banquet for my gymnastics. I won Most Improved Gymnast. One fast fact. When I was in my competitive swimming team, I actually had a swim-a-thon. And if you didn't know what that is, that means you get to swim 100 laps. Cool, right? Okay, well that's all the time I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my flipgrid or presentation and I hope you guys learned something about me.